Welcome back to Brain Candy TV.
Hey, Brainiacs! Have you ever been for a ride on an airplane? It's so much fun! Airplanes can fly way up in the sky, even higher than the clouds. And they can take you to far-off places all around the world. Today we're going to learn about the different parts of an airplane and how they work together to make it fly up in the sky. Here we are at the airport where we can find all kinds of cool airplanes. Look, all the parts of that airplane are ready to be put together. Let's see if we can put all the parts in the right spot. The biggest part is called the fuselage. That's where you and all the passengers will sit. Next, we have the wings. Do you know which parts are the wings? There they are! These wings are a very special shape that helps the airplane fly up through the sky. Under the wings, we'll find the jet engines. This big airplane has 4 engines. The engines push the airplane forward so it can go really fast. Beneath the wings and fuselage, we can find the landing gear. The landing gear has wheels so the airplane can roll along the runway during takeoff and landing. At the back of the airplane, we'll find the stabilizers. These stabilizers help keep the airplane flying straight. Now that our airplane is all put together, let's hop on board and learn how it works. Hey, Captain Lizzy! Are you ready to take us for a ride on this new airplane? All right, here we are at the front of the airplane, and this area is called the flight deck. The flight deck is where the captain sits and controls the plane. Let's explore the flight deck and learn some of the things the captain uses to control the airplane. This is the throttle. The throttle controls the thrust of the engines. That's what makes the airplane go faster or slower. Here is the yoke. The yoke is like the steering wheel of an airplane. The rudder pedals found here also help Captain Lizzy steer the airplane. The instrument panels have lots of buttons and screens to give the pilot information about where to go and how the airplane is flying. All right, let's get those big jet engines going and get ready for takeoff. Give it some throttle, Lizzy. These are powerful turbofan jet engines. Let's learn how they work. These engines use a series of fans to squeeze the air smaller and smaller. Then they add jet fuel to the squeezed air and explode it, shooting the hot air out the back and pushing the airplane forward. The big parts at the back of the wing are called flaps. When the flaps move down, they create extra lift by squeezing the air under the wings as the airplane moves forward quickly through the sky. This squeezing of the air pushes the airplane up. The flaps also create drag, which slows the airplane down. These parts at the front of the wings are called slats. They're used to create even more lift, which pushes the airplane up in the air. Okay, Lizzy, give it full throttle. Time for takeoff. All right, now that we're high up in the sky, we can retract the landing gear so the airplane can go even faster. We don't need as much lift, so we can now close the slats and raise the flaps. Now let's learn about all the moving parts that Captain Lizzy can use to steer the airplane through the sky. If Captain Lizzy wants to turn the airplane left or right, she'll use this part called the rudder. It works just like a rudder on a sailboat. When the rudder moves to the left, the airplane turns to the left. When the rudder turns to the right, the airplane turns to the right. Oh no, look! We're heading right for that big mountain. We need to get higher in the sky. To pitch the airplane up or down, we'll use these parts at the back of the plane called the elevators. When the elevators move up, the nose of the airplane moves up. Hurry, Lizzy! We're getting really close to that mountain. Phew! That was a close one. Hey, what's that hot air balloon doing way up here? We better make a quick turn to get around it. If we want to roll the plane for an even faster turn, we'll use these small parts at the ends of the wings. These parts are called ailerons. When one aileron goes up, the other one goes down, causing the airplane to roll. Okay, Captain Lizzy, our flight is almost done. Time to bring it in for a landing. When Captain Lizzy wants to slow the airplane down before landing, she'll use these parts on the top of the wings called spoilers. When the spoilers are used, along with the slats and the flaps, this will slow the airplane down for a nice smooth landing. Nice landing, Lizzy! Great job, Brainiacs! Now you know a lot about airplanes and how they work. Aren't airplanes cool? Learning how things work is so much fun. What do you want to learn about next? Hey, Brainiacs! Click here if you want to see more of our fun videos. Learning is cool, and I'm so glad you're here to learn with us. And if you keep learning, you can be anything you want to be when you grow up. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any of our new videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.